Today I will try to demonstrate how to control a circuit breaker using a two-state switch, but for that we need a simple power system diagram. So we will make it so simple, just change the frequency. Okay, we need a multimeter, we need fixed load, let's run our model. So it seems everything is working perfectly. So now we need to add a few more components in our system. This is the circuit breaker. Okay, and then we need a two-state switch, as well as we need a control panel. Initial state it would be always on, so now it is in on position. So we need a few more components. The first one we need and we also need a monostable vibrator. We also need flip flop, and we also need this. it is for auto reclosure, and this is for relay. Sorry, I made a mistake. It will be for relay. This one is for our breaker. So hopefully our system will work normally. Let's see. So what is the problem? Okay, we need to give signal for this, as in our system we don't have any relay yet, so it is not working. So instead of that, we will use a constant integer. It will always be 0. So let's see. Okay, now our system is working normally. So now I turn off the circuit. Now the circuit breaker is off. Now again the circuit breaker is on. We can see from it here, from the graph. Again off, again on. So in this way we can control a circuit breaker using two-state switch. In the next video I will try to show you using a relay how can we trip this circuit breaker. So that's all for today.